Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for Simon Says Stamp with our latest card kit. This is our limited edition tag kit for holiday 2023. I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 stamp set, which is called Home for Christmas, and this features some houses, and these are really unique. These are a layering set, so the roof will fit all of your houses along with the door and also the chimneys. There's also a few extras that you can add to the outside of your house or also on top, and some greetings that you can pair with everything. On the back side, there are some suggestions for you on how you can layer all the elements and use them all together. We have a beautiful die set for you, and this is called Two Stems and Berries. So you have some holly branches along with individual leaves that you can stack on top, and also mistletoe. Mine are still together. You can clip yours apart to cut out your individual pieces, and you have plenty of berries to work with for your mistletoe and holly. Next up, we have a 3x3 stencil set. This includes 3 stencils, and when you use them all together, you can get your candy cane, bow, and also your greens together. This is called the Festive Candy Cane Stencil Set, exclusively from Simon Says Stamp. We're including an exclusive to this kit only, a 4-pack of positively saturated ink cubes in Cherry, Kale, Blush, and Tropic, and these are perfect to use with your stencils. We're also including 2 of the ink applicators, so you can use one with your pinks and reds and the other with your greens and teals. To help you manage your ink cubes, we're also including the Simon Says Stamp ink cube holder, and these are really easy to work with. It holds your ink in place while you're doing your blending, and each well holds the ink pad and lid snugly in place. The ink cube holder also comes with the junior mesh bag, so you can keep everything together and organized and ready on the go. To go along with your tags, we're also including these snowflake clear bags, and these are food safe, so you can fill them up with cookies, candies, or even hot chocolate. They unzip at the top, so you can fill in and then reseal, add your tag, and you're ready to give a gift. Another fun item we're including in this kit is the Tim Holtz Ideology Candy Cane Confections, and there's 10 in the pack for plenty of decorating. We have about 50 tags for you in this kit, and the first is a set of 6 gold-rimmed round tags, and they have a gold glimmer twine to match. We're also including a pack of 24 tags, and these are various shapes, and they come in 4 different colors, 6 of the patterns each. So we have some craft, silver, bright white, and also a cream that has a really nice golden glimmer to it. This also comes with plenty of twine for all 24 tags. The next set of tags is 20 manila, and these don't have a reinforcer, so they're perfect for covering with some of your papers, and it also comes with enough twine for all 20 of these tags. And for an additional tag, we're also including a craft tag, and this does have the reinforcer, and these are perfect for stamping in white. To sign all your tags, we're enclosing a Spectrum Noir art liner, and this has a really nice tip that's perfect for your handwriting that's not too fine or too bold. For super quick tags and tags for last minute, we're including a sheet of EK Success Santa stickers, and these have a little bit of glitter and shine to them to go with the whimsical look of the characters. We do have a selection of 6x8 papers for you from Simple Stories, and this is the Holiday Life collection. These are really beautiful papers. Their colors are a muted green, also very strong green, loving the black with the white writing. There's also a craft color, and these do feature those houses that will match your stamps really well, and at really nice muted red, pieces that you can cut up like Oh What Fun, and also a really pale snowflake background. These are really great, and they do fit on some tags with additional paper. On the back side is some birds on white. The green with the holly berries will go really nicely with your dies, and there's a nice bold green on the back side. There's also a sheet with a black background and flowers, and then a really nice light green with leaves, beautiful plaid with all those Christmas colors, leaves on red, Also a black and white sheet with a bird and also some elements that could also fit on a tag, and a plaid red on the back. This is a craft sheet with some candy canes. It'll go really well with those Tim Holtz confection pieces, and also another sheet that you can cut up and make either a card or also a tag. We have a few sheets of cardstock for you. You'll get a full sheet of the Simon Says Stamp holographic red, and it has that mottled look to it. You'll also receive the Midnight Green, that's a 100-pound cardstock from Simon Says Stamp, and also a sheet of Nina White 80-pound cardstock. So that concludes the reveal of our limited edition Holiday Tag 2023 card kit. Up next, I have some beautiful inspiration from our designers using the contents of the kit. I filled a few of the clear bags with some goodies and added a tag and ribbon on the top, along with one on my hot cocoa mug for decoration. Nina Trapani stamped the house, trees, and also some snowflakes on the background of her tag and finished it off with the twine at the top. Susie Plantamera used the dies in various colors and also a lot of sparkle for these two beautiful tags. Laura Basson created a card featuring 3 of the houses along with some trees and her greeting on top. And finally, Callie Pearson used all of the elements from the kit to create a variety of tags in the different sizes and shapes. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our Holiday 2023 tag kit. Remember that this is a limited edition and is only available while supplies last, and includes exclusive product that is only included in this kit. We do have some links for you in the description box below on how to purchase this kit, and also to our blog post for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.